Here, wanted to catch up real quick. Clutch noise. I'm going to be pushing it here. I don't know if it's supposed to be making these noise or what, but and this is the clutch noise I'm getting. I am running a live axle with no brakes. So if you guys could think of an idea on how to get a brake system on this type of axle running, I mean that's the width of the axle right there. Looks like it's got the keystone locks, or the key locks in it. Yeah, this cart needs to be completely revamped. I mean everything, I mean the header's great, but as far as parts wise it's going to take a lot. So leave a comment below, and I'm open to anything, any suggestions. Thank you.